Artificial intelligence is transforming the battlefield. Autonomous drones, robotic soldiers, and AI-driven cyber warfare are no longer science fiction, they're reality. But as AI becomes a weapon, will it make war more precise or more dangerous? And who will control the machines when the stakes are life and death? Welcome to the new era of AI and warfare. For decades, war has been fought with human soldiers and traditional weapons, but AI is revolutionizing the battlefield. Militaries worldwide are developing autonomous drones, smart surveillance systems, and AI-driven defense mechanisms that can operate faster than human decision-makers. One of the most controversial advancements is the rise of autonomous lethal weapons, machines capable of identifying and eliminating targets without direct human intervention. From AI snipers to robotic tanks, these systems are already being tested and deployed. The US, China, and Russia are racing to dominate AI warfare. In 2023, the Pentagon unveiled an AI-powered drone swarm capable of overwhelming enemy defenses. Meanwhile, China is investing billions into AI-driven military technology, and Russia has hinted at autonomous robotic soldiers. Beyond the battlefield, AI is becoming a weapon in cyberspace. AI-driven hacking tools can crack passwords, manipulate data, and shut down entire networks in seconds. Governments and cybercriminals alike are using AI to launch sophisticated cyber attacks. AI is also changing defense strategies. Advanced algorithms can detect threats in real time, analyze cyber attacks before they happen, and even predict an enemy's next move. But with AI capable of launching attacks and defending against them, the cyber arms race is escalating faster than ever. With AI playing a bigger role in warfare, a major ethical question arises. Should AI be allowed to decide who lives and who dies? The United Nations and human rights organizations are pushing for regulations on AI weapons, fearing that they could lead to war crimes or unintended civilian casualties. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If an AI weapon misidentifies a civilian as a threat, the consequences could be catastrophic. The potential for AI bias, errors, and hacking makes the use of autonomous weapons a high-risk game. Even AI pioneers have sounded the alarm. Elon Musk and AI researchers have warned that AI warfare could lead to unintended consequences, escalating conflicts beyond human control. AI in warfare is no longer just a possibility. It's an arms race. The world's most powerful nations are investing billions to stay ahead. Some believe AI will make war more precise and less destructive, while others warn it could lead to unpredictable conflicts that spiral out of control. So, what happens next? Will AI make war obsolete, or will it become the deadliest weapon ever created? The world is at a crossroads, and the decisions we make today will shape the future of warfare. Beyond governments, a new wave of players is entering the battlefield: private defense contractors and tech giants. These companies are developing AI systems for surveillance, threat detection, and even combat decision-making. With fewer regulations and more profit motives, they're pushing the boundaries even faster. Companies like Palantir are already providing AI-driven battlefield intelligence. Meanwhile, other firms are training autonomous drones and robotic security systems for sale to both governments and private clients. But who's responsible when a privately developed AI malfunctions or is used unethically? This growing privatization of warfare could lead to an unregulated arms race. If lethal AI falls into the wrong hands, the consequences could be catastrophic, not just for nations, but for humanity as a whole. AI is redefining the rules of war. The question is, are we ready? Should autonomous weapons be banned? Or are they the future of national defense? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And as always, remember to like and subscribe.